we've powered up our game. Thanks to all our partners, we present to you the Microgravity Gaming League FIFA 21 Championship, where winners can win up to 2 lakhs in prizes. The first place wins the HP ZBook 14U G6 laptop. Second place gets the HP 24F IPS monitor. The third place receives 10,000 rupees worth microgravity vouchers. For the gamer goddess, the top female gamer, we have the HP Reverb VR headset. For the top scorer and the best goal, we have microgravity vouchers worth 5,000 rupees each. Speaking about the tournament, we've started with 1,024 teams on 7th May. But today, we've got the top 16 teams. We start off with some incredible matchups, and we have some of the biggest names in the Indian FIFA community competing. Starting off, we have arguably India's best player in Saransh Jain, who has won the virtual Bundesliga amongst plenty other national titles. His press is as lethal as his attack. Alongside him is Lokmanu and Vicky, who are part of the national team and represent the country on the global scale. Naveen, D33K Plays, and Painkiller have also competed at the official EA FGS tournaments and come into this competition with tons of experience. Each one of these guys have secured Elite 1 or even a top 100 in the world in their weekend league finishes. These players are all vying for the top spot, and you better believe that we are going to see some incredible goals and results that will keep us at the edge of our seats. Talking about our parent company, Microgravity is a magical world filled with tech where all your gaming dreams come true. Microgravity as a brand is working on delivering a world class multiplayer gaming experience. Whether you want to play at a state of the art gaming arena or try your hand at competing in an esports league format with your friends, we bring to you the best infrastructure and platforms the industry has to offer. To start with, we are introducing the cutting edge, zero latency, free roaming technology for multiplayer gaming at our flagship property in Gurgaon, along with some of the most advanced and immersive gaming formats. The arena boasts world class simulators, virtual reality bays, classic video gaming docks, and a golf experience using cutting edge projection and simulation technology. Now, let's move towards the first game of the day. But during the difficult time of COVID, don't forget to wash your hands, wear a mask, and maintain a social distancing क्योंकि 2 गज दूरी और mask है जरूरी. Now we have kickoff between Saransh Jain versus Vrish 24. Now it'll be very interesting to see which teams these people are going to be choosing. As you can see, this is not an ultimate team tournament. This is a league tournament where each player in their team will be 90 rated, so that there is no difference in the playstyle of in the quality of the players facing each other. So people can rock out any team they want, and they will all have players playing at the same level, because usually if you decide to take a weaker team in the Premier League, it won't usually be able to compete like Wolves. It usually won't be able to compete with the likes of a Real Madrid. But to make this tournament extremely fair for all the players, we have capped the player ratings at 90. So this is going to be as fair fight as possible. And talking about Saransh, he's by far one of the best players in the country. So Vrish is definitely going to have to do a lot to try to get a result out of this one. As you can see, we have Liverpool versus Bayer Leverkusen. Which is not something that you would usually see in a tournament. Bayer Leverkusen definitely has some good players, but Liverpool having one of the best defenses in the game and an excellent midfield with some extremely fast-paced attackers and clinical lethal shooting in the time in terms of Mane, Roberto Firmino, and Salah. I mean, that's a deadly trio there leading the attack. On the other hand, Bayer Leverkusen, an interesting choice. We have the likes of Çalhanoğlu, who is incredible at taking free kicks. but you don't really see people use that team. I'm very curious to see what he's got in his plan. And we're just waiting on Saransh to start the game. This is going to be an incredibly exciting game to watch, because there are these players who are at this stage who would want to prove themselves at a high competing stage, right? Like, these are players who are yet to make a name for themselves, and this is the perfect opportunity. Imagine beating the likes of Saransh Jain in a tournament. That is something he's going to remember for the rest of his life, because Saransh has not only won tournaments in the country, but he's also managed to win tournaments abroad. He has been the most consistent player in the community since almost 3 years, I believe. He's been winning everything, and he has the second most number of national titles in the country. As you can see, he's chosen to go with a very attacking, very quick front two in Bailey and Diaby, because all of those players are definitely going to have 90 plus pace. And it's a very interesting midfield, because Palacios and Demirbe, usually their normal stats aren't that good of players, but Singh Raven is an excellent defender.